Open YouTube, scroll down, open notification, and here as you can see, now I can control my Android phone using this voice access. So the Siri is only available for iOS users. So in Android phone, here is no option to use the exact iPhone Siri. But here is an alternative Siri we can use in our Android phone. And here's how to do it. Go to your Play Store and search for voice access, and this is the alternative app for Siri. All you have to need, install this voice access app on your Android phone. App successfully installed. Now in your app library, here you won't see the voice access app. To see it from your apps library, just tap on search and here type voice access and open voice access settings and tap on voice access, enable voice access, tap on allow, agree, tap on done, tap on select here listen for commands whenever my screen is on and tap on continue. Allow voice access to record audio, just enable all permissions one by one. And now to enable voice access, just go to your app library and here tap on voice access and the voice access will be enabled. Now using your voice, you can easily control your phone. Open Facebook. Here we can see Facebook opened. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, go back to home, open YouTube, scroll down, open notification, and here as you can see, now I can control my Android phone using this voice access.